Hello students, welcome in the new point. This is the very last point of this chapter. We have studied in this chapter, the Indian Constitution, how it made, the need of Constitution, and the philosophy, the values which are given to the Indian Constitution. The very last point we will study here, the institutional design, the work of the Constitution, how we studied the need of Constitution. That is just revising here in the different way, in the different words, that is the institutional design. What is the work of the Constitution? How it working, how it controlling the things that is given in the institutional design. Institution means system. The Constitution is that thing, that part which led many system in the country. Not only in India, this is throughout the world. The Constitution lays down the way how system should work. The different organs of government, how they should work. That everything is given in the Constitution. That is why here you are looking the institutional design. A Constitution is not merely a statement of values and philosophy. As we noted above, a Constitution is mainly about embedding these values into institutional arrangement. This is not just a piece of paper which says giving statement only of the values and the philosophy, but it is trying mainly working to embed these values, bound these values into institutional arrangement, into systems. Much of the document called Constitution of India is about these arrangements. In the Constitution, all these arrangements are said. It is a very long and detailed document. The Indian Constitution is a very lengthy and detailed document. Therefore, it needs to be amended quite regularly to keep it updated. Amended. First understand the term amending. Making amendment means making short, small change in the Constitution, that is called the Constitutional Amendment. It is explained here also, Constitutional Amendment. A change in the Constitution made by Supreme Legislative Body in a country. This is called Constitutional Amendment. So these small changes are needing to make in the Constitution because this document when made, the social and economical status of country was very different, but now the status is changed. So according to the need of these changes, if there is a need to make change, we can make the Supreme Legislative Body can make the change in this Constitution. This is called amendment. We have studied here about the Constitutional Amendment. What is meaning of Constitutional Amendment? Making changes in the Constitution by the governing body. It is allowed in the Constitution. Time to time we can make the changes because there are differences in that time and this time. So it is needing to make change. Now we'll move ahead. The Constitution describes the institutional arrangement. In the Constitution, the institutional arrangements are described in a very legal language. The legal language is used to describe the Constitution. If you will read the Constitution, you will get idea. It is very difficult to understand. It is very lengthy, but it lays down the procedure, the working of different institutions of country. The first we will see here, what institutions are designed by the Constitution. The Indian Constitution lays down a procedure of choosing person to govern the country. In Constitution it is described to whom you can choose, to whom you can give the government. It defines who will have how much power. In the Constitution it is said who will have how much power, to take which decisions can be taken by which house. This is also said. What state assemblies are having rights, what central government is having right. In central government also, the upper house and lower house. The lower house is the Lok Sabha and upper house is the Rajya Sabha. The rights for the Lok Sabha, what are having, the rights for the Rajya Sabha, what are having, this is also described in the constitution. This is here who will have how much power to take which decision. And it put limits put limits to what the government can do by providing some rights to the citizens that cannot be violated. The fundamental rights should be secured. That's also described in the Constitution. The remaining three chapters in this book are about these three aspects of the working of Indian Constitution. Different institutions we are going to see in the upcoming chapters. So you will get idea how the Constitution is working. This is the institutional design laid by the Constitution. This is the work of the Indian Constitution. I hope you students understand the designing institution by the Constitution. By this video, the chapter is completing the all points we have discussed one by one. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Read the chapter again and again. This is very easy. This is related to your practical life. The constitutional awareness is a very essential need of the Indian citizen. So you should get idea, you should aware what are your rights, what are the institution, how it's are working. I hope you will enjoy this journey till next year.